Okay, let's have a look at page 3. Okay, x plus 3 over 5 equals 8. Let's get rid of that 5, so let's multiply that side by 5 and this side by 5. And I should be left with x plus 3 equals 5 times 8 is 40. Let's get rid of that 3. And likewise on this side, and we should be left with x equals 40 minus 3, which is 37. Okay, question M. 5x plus 7 over 2 equals 6. Let's get rid of that 2, so I'll multiply this side by 2, likewise on that side, and I'll be left with 5x plus 7 equals 6 times 2, which is 12. Let's get rid of the 7, so I'll subtract 7 from there, subtract 7 from there also. 5x equals 12 minus 7, which is 5. Let's get x on its own, so I'll divide this side by 5, likewise on this side, and I'm left with x equals 1. Okay, question 7 from the previous page. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the denominators the same. So in this case here, I'm just going to simply make the denominators both 8. I can simply double this one, or I can make them all 8. It doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to make both denominators 8. What did I do to that 2 to get 8? I multiplied it by 4. It's the same thing at the top. So 4 times x minus 5. And in this case here, we cross multiply, same thing. It's 2, 3x minus 7. Okay. So what I will do now is I will simply get rid of these denominators because they're both the same. I'm just going to multiply both sides by 8. And I'm going to be left with 2 lots of 3x minus 7 equals 4x minus 5. So I've simply got rid of those denominators because they're both the same and it won't affect the numerators. Let's expand these brackets. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14 equals 4 times x is 4x. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. Okay, let's get rid of that minus 14. So I'll add 14 to here, add 14 to this side. 6x equals 4x minus 6. Okay, let's get rid of that 4x minus 4x from here. 2x equals minus 6. Let's get rid of that 2, so I'll divide this by 2, divide that by 2, so x equals minus 6 divided by 2, which is minus 3. Now, if you're not sure whether that's the correct answer, we can substitute that x equals minus 3 back into these formulas. If we do that, we will get minus 16 over 4 equals minus 8 over 2. Are those two fractions equivalent? Of course they are. So our x minus 3 is the correct answer.